everyone, good morning. Got to find this beauty after driving through a motorcycle around the island. Got to rent a motorcycle going here, like 150 peso. That's back and forth already. To get here from the city, it's a 4-hour drive by bus, or if you will be renting a van or a private car. And from the highway, it's like 20 minutes. It's just here, and you'll have to get a motorcycle. Others, you just have to walk, especially the people living here. They're used to the place, so they just walk. It's so near for them. But for the tourists, you'll have to get motorcycle or a van to get here. This is very beautiful. The surroundings, very green, and also it's very cold. I never get to dip in the water because I feel so cold. So I was just filming um, around and um, just enjoying the view, and it's very beautiful. And I could stay here and just look at the water falling because it's so relaxing. So if you happen to visit Cebu, don't forget to drop here.